All right, this is the main timer that we use. First and foremost, we're just going to start from scratch and hit the reset button. That's going to completely wipe out the current time and any settings that were set within the time. So you can see that it's Monday, 12 o'clock. So we're going to go ahead and set the current time. As of right now, it is 9:26 a.m. So what you have to do is just hold down the clock button and press the hour until it gets to 9, and then still hold down the clock button and hit the minute time until it gets to 26. Okay. It is also Tuesday, so I'm going to make sure we just set the day of the week. Hold clock down, hit day until it goes to Tuesday. Now that the time is correct, we got 9:26 a.m. We're going to go ahead and set our lights to come on at 5 o'clock at night and turn off at 11 p.m. So the first thing that we're going to do there is hit set once, and now we're going to set the on time as shown right here. So we're going to go ahead and just set it for 5 o'clock p.m. So we're going to go ahead and go all the way until it gets to 5 p.m. And then if you notice, all of the days of the week are lit up, which is what we want. And then we're going to go ahead and set the off time as indicated right there. And we're going to go ahead and set that for 11 p.m. And then one other request, we're also going to set one more time for them to come on from 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. So program number 2 for the on time, 6 a.m. and then back off at 8 a.m. Now that's all set. So to go back to the main clock, it's 9:27 a.m. Tuesday. We have 2 set times that they're going to come on. One at 5 o'clock Monday, all the days of the week, and then shut off at 11 p.m. all the days of the week. And then our setting timing, they're going to come back on at 6 a.m. and then shut off at 8 a.m. You can program up to 20 different settings on this, and so as a practice, I just always like to go through and make sure there's dashes to make sure there's nothing else set. Otherwise, it will mess up the scheduled time on the settings. So that's how you set your time. And then one last thing, if you notice, it says auto off. As of right now, it's 9:28 a.m. We're just going to leave it to the auto off, which means that the lights are going to stay off until the program setting time. So when it comes 5 o'clock, they're going to pop on and go through the regular timer settings. You also have on, off, or on, auto on, off, auto off. On basically just means that the lights are always going to be on. Auto on, you would put in this position if it was 5:30 p.m. So our lights are scheduled to turn on at 5 to 11. That's when you would hit the auto on. But since we're outside the program time settings, we're going to go ahead and just go auto off, and now it's going to run through its settings. Done.